In this video, we are going to learn how to fix Google Chrome not opening. So first of all, we are doing this with the reinstall Google Chrome. If nothing works, reinstalling Google Chrome usually fixes the issues. So first of all, the first step is press Windows plus I to open setting. Go to the apps in the left side, click on the apps, then click on the installed apps, and then here find Google Chrome. So here is the Google Chrome, and then click on the Google Chrome, then click on uninstall Google Chrome. Yes, uninstall the Google Chrome. And then cut this cut this and then restart your PC. Download Chrome again from the official website. So I'm going to the Microsoft Edge and I'm finding here Chrome Chrome download. So I'm going here Google Chrome download the fast secure. So I am downloading the Chrome browser. Open the file. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So this is initializing. Now I'm cutting this, and now here is my Google Chrome. Yes. And sometimes if Chrome still doesn't open, restart your computer once. Sometimes background errors stop it from launching.